I have for you a limited edition Lego Voltron set, and as you can see, he's looking pretty cool. As you can see on the back, it has the Lego Voltron again, but it shows a little bit more of how he's put together. We see that it comes with a sword and a shield for Voltron. Now we're going to open the box. Thank you, Mysterious Man. Look at all those bags, and I have to figure out how to put them all together. If only there was a helpful way to tell us what to do. The instructions, of course. Instructions, but I hate those things. Yeah, but they're Lego. You're gonna have to keep them. Nah, I guess you're right.